Sa video ito, ay tuturo ko yung tungkol sa maxima and minima. So, nakikita nyo dito is nag-prepare ako ng problem na pwede natin pagpraktisan. So, bago ang lahat, let's analyze the problem. Find the highest height of a right circular cylinder of maximum volume which can be inscribed in a sphere of radius 15 cm. So, para mas lalo natin maintindihan, naglagay ako ng figure na pwede natin ina-analyze habang tayo ay nag-solve. So, first of all, ang unang solusyon natin is gagamitin natin by using ng Pythagorean theorem. First, kukopyahin natin yung 15 cm squared equals to radius squared plus height over 2 raised to 2. So, 15 is erase natin sa 2, which is yung sagot is 225 equals to radius squared plus height over 2 times 2 equals 4. Yung height natin may squared yan. Next is radius squared. Lipat natin dito yung radius squared equals copy 225 dahil positive to, magiging negative. Copy the height squared over 4. Yan na yung sa Pythagorean theorem natin. Now, let's solve for the volume of the cylinder. Ito yung kanyang formula. Next, volume is equals to pi 225 minus height squared over 4 times height. So, yung gagawin natin ngayon is ita-times natin yung pi sa 225 at saka sa height squared over 4. Ganon din sa height. So, pi times 225 is 225 pi. Then, yung 225 ay ita-times mo rin sa height. Minus, same goes din dito sa pi. Ita-times mo rin sa height squared. So, yung mangyayari is pi height squared. Pero, ita-times mo rin yung height sa height squared. So, magiging height cube siya. Ito yung kanyang kinalabasan. Hanapin natin yung derivative of volume and derivative of height. Copy 225 pi minus 3/2 pi height squared. So, paano ito na 3/4? Then, pi height squared is because in-derive natin. So, yung 3 magpupunta dito, kaya na yung 3 dito sa taas, then binaba natin yung pi at saka yung height squared. Kaya nag-square na lang siya kasi in-derive natin. So, next is 1/0. Next, 225 pi minus 3/4 3/4 pi height squared equals to 0. Lagyan natin ng 4. So ngayon is, ita-times natin yung 4 sa 225. Which is yung sagot is magiging 900. Minus. Ito ay magiging 3 pi height squared. Equals 0. Next is squared minus 900 pi equals to 0. Next step tayo dito sa taas. I-divide natin yung 3 pi height squared at saka yung 900 pi sa 3 pi. So, copy. 3 pi height squared minus, and then, divide natin ito sa 3 pi. Equals, copy yung 900 sa baba, pi, then, over 3. Ka-cancel natin siya. Cancel natin yung 3 pi sa taas. So, cancel natin ito, yung magkapareho lang is yung pi. Cancel natin yan. So, yung matitira is 8 height squared. Dito naman is yung 900 i-divide mo sa 3, which is 300. So, yung answer niya is height equals to natin yung volume ng cylinder. Ngayon naman is find radius. So, r squared equals to 225 minus height squared over 4. So, substitute tayo. Substitute. 200 copy na 225 minus yung sagot natin kanina na square root of 300. Squared over 4. Next, radius squared equals to 225 minus 300 over 4. Next is 200, hindi na siya 225. Kasi, times natin yung 4 sa 225. So, magiging 900 na siya. Minus 300 over 4. So, r squared equals to 600. Kasi 900 minus 300 is 600. So, over 4. So, 600 divided by 4 equals is 150. So, yung radius natin is equals to square root of 150. Kita na natin yung radius. Let's find the second derivative. So, dv over dh is equals to 225 pi minus 3 over 4 pi height squared. So, derivative of raised to 2 volume over derivative of height equals to negative 2 times 3 fourths. Copy pi height squared. So next is equals to negative 2 times 2 3 over 4 pi height. So, wala na siyang squared. Next is del 2 times 4 is 2 or magiging 6 over 4 siya. So pag in-round off mo or in lowest term mo siya is magiging ano na lang siya, magiging 3 halves. 5 height. So, dahil negative siya, magiging ito ay maximum. So, therefore, the height of the right cylinder that can be inscribed in a sphere in the sphere with radius of 15 centimeter is height equals to square root of 300. So ito po yung kanyang sagot. Naway marami po kayong natutunan at tunayan niyo yung Panginoon sa inyong pag-aaral upang magiging successful kayo sa buhay. Maraming salamat.